Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today we're shooting guns again. This is the part 2. If you haven't seen my last video, I did instructions on how to use a gun. I recommend go watching that if you guys are gonna use a gun and you guys don't know any instructions on using that. You guys can go watch that video for instructions on how to use this gun. And I'm gonna be introducing these guns, it. Here we have an AR-15. Really big gun. Over here we have where is it? Oh, it's right here. We have a 1911 handgun. This is a rifle. Just remembering. And let's jump straight into this. Yeah, let's do this.
So part 2. Aiding shooting an AR-15.
Alright, I need a target.
That bottle's still there.
Oh, the one I've been trying to shoot. Alright.
Don't jerk back. Keep your face where it is. Lean forward a little bit. There you go. Own it. Let me give you a new target.
Shoot in the air.
Oh, I blew it. It actually.
I hit it.
Yeah, sure you did.
I totally legit hit it. Dude. Okay. My wrist hurts.
Go trigger happy on that van.
The gunpowder. Run out of ammo. Okay. Are the mags for this one loaded?
The 2 of them are loaded already.
Where are they?
They're underneath.
I'm just gonna have this one in my pocket right here.
It's fine.
And I put the empty one. This one's really hot.
It's been sitting out in the sun.
Yeah. Okay.
Loaded.
Can't shoot down, that's really hard. The monster. That monster can right there.
There you go. It's already loaded. Pull it back and then turn it upside down so it can fall out. There you go. It was already loaded. It's fine. It's loaded right now. It's right there. We'll get it in a minute.
Okay. I should just remember not to reload it.
No, it's already loaded once you do that.
Yeah. I got the monster right there.
You got the monster can?
Yeah.
You can basically slide it in there. Just put it in there. Let me see.
No, you can't. You need it in there.
Yeah, you can.
Left hand. Kind of got it. Okay. Good job. Just fall in there. Just trying to get a camera view, guys. We're gonna use our last clips before we're gone with this. We'll come back to these in a couple months probably, or I don't know. I don't know how much time. Yeah, we're about to use the last clips. We're not almost done, but we're just saving the rest of the ammo for next times.
That would be your last iteration, not your last clip, guys.
Well,
That's the tracer.
last clip. Last clip, guys.
Here you go.
I won't miss this gun. Okay.
You can go ahead and shoot the last rounds out of this.
Random things. Good job. Phone fell over, but it's fine. It's all good. Okay. Okay. Just that. This. So that's gonna be the end of this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Shout out to you. Please subscribe, turn on post notification, be notified when my new videos is out. Also follow me on Twitter and Instagram, names in the description below. Yeah, see you guys next video. Peace.